Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we're making some Rice Krispie Squares. A very simple, awesome dessert. Very easy and simple, so let's get started. Things don't have to be complicated. But if you want to make them complicated, they can be. But let's start with our Rice Krispie Squares. So melt some butter. Pan here. Just get some butter in there. Oh, 6 tablespoons of butter, 85 grams. And we got some marshmallows. You can use mini ones, or you can just use the big ones and just cut them in half. We're just melting some butter there. Medium fire. Butter's melted. Half of our marshmallows inside. Get those all melted up. Alright. I'm thinking a wooden spoon. Melt up these marshmallows. Yeah, see, the butter and the marshmallows are melting quite nicely there. See how it's all melting up there? Very nice. I think I have made this recipe like a long time ago. It's definitely not too hard. 4 ingredients, that's all you need. Pretty simple, awesome dessert. I guess if you use like the mini marshmallows, they melt a little faster than the big ones, but if you wanted to put big ones in there, just let it melt. It takes a little longer, that's all. 6 cups of Rice Krispie Squares. Don't inside. Remaining marshmallows. Alright, I'm going to dump that in there. Alright. And I'm just going to mix this all up. Cool.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Marshmallows. Okay, let's get those in there. Now we're just going to press these down a bit here. Spread them out. Yeah, just kind of spread it out a bit there. You don't want to pack it down, you just want to kind of spread them out. Cool these down for about an hour in the fridge, and then come back and we'll have some nice Rice Krispie Squares. Let's give our Rice Krispie Squares a try. Yeah, it's pretty much been an hour in the fridge, so all ready to go. Let's give them a try. They look good, so. Oh wow. Yeah, I like those. Okay. Awesome. Rice Krispie Squares. Not much else to say. They're just, yeah, like I remember them. Very good. Rice Krispie Squares. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love you. And we'll see you again. Simple, awesome Rice Krispie Squares.